Welcome to the exciting world of YouTube Create. In this video, we'll take you through the latest buzz in the creator community, YouTube's brand new app, designed to make your video editing and content creation process easier than ever before. YouTube has just introduced its revolutionary app, YouTube Create. This app is a game changer for content creators, offering a comprehensive suite of user-friendly, free tools to empower you to create both shorts and longer videos with ease. YouTube Create is here to tackle the challenges that creators often face. This includes streamlining the editing process and providing access to a plethora of creative tools like stickers, GIFs, and eye-catching effects. To ensure this app met the needs of creators, YouTube consulted with over 3,000 of them during its development. Their valuable feedback shaped every aspect of this application. Let's dive into how it works. Creators simply add their clips and start crafting their videos with a range of intuitive editing tools. The app allows you to preview, split, and trim your clips as you piece together your masterpiece. But that's not all. YouTube Create offers a treasure trove of over thousands of stickers, GIFs, and stunning effects to take your content to the next level. Worried about finding the perfect soundtrack? Fear not. The app grants access to YouTube's library of royalty-free tracks, offering thousands of songs to complement your videos. These tracks are copyright safe, so you can monetize your content without any concerns. Plus, the app automatically syncs the beats of the song to your video clips, just like the feature popularized by TikTok. YouTube Create goes the extra mile. It can even clean up unwanted background sounds, generate captions with a simple tap, and seamlessly export your final masterpiece to your YouTube channel. This concept of a dedicated creation app is already a hit among the creator community. Even with built-in effects on platforms like TikTok, many creators turn to specialized apps, like CapCut, for their video preparations. YouTube Create is initially available for Android users and is launching in beta today in 8 markets worldwide, including the United States, Germany, France, United Kingdom, Indonesia, India, Korea, and Singapore. And here's the exciting part, YouTube promises to continually enhance the app with even more features and plans to make it accessible to more creators over time. So, if you're a content creator looking to up your game, YouTube Create is the app you've been waiting for. Get ready to unleash your creativity like never before.